Abusuafo me mamu nyina good morning. Medin Ediking fantastic. Senior monim no Endra ena ye man panya be de akire her excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku eba be piemu ewo Ghana after spending 45 days in UK. Yeti ha anche ena yenya ntie se vice president ne hondo dono na yede ne ko UGMC na baabi adru no abrusonti na ese yede ne ko outside Ghana se ne ye ne da no. This is not the first time politician ebe yare wo Ghana yare ne be ye serious ye mfa no kwa abruchire ha obiani na yede vice president kwa abruchire nyina no na rumors bebre kokoso ebinumu kan ye kura kokko kan say vice president afrim ebinumu kan ye kokko kan say John Mahama Ghana mampenya sacrifice vice president the president and sema MPP for kan kurum ha no na nyansem ketwa na emueduru ebinumu tina social media declare maame ne say wawu na maame wenwu ye. Now you see Nyankopon a wonpe boni. NPP for always find a way to lie about things. And they be asema me catch no money say o man ya careful. Na sa tron kitin sa jandam kitin na omutwitwa no. O man jai. Now they want to continue this way. I'm telling you MPP will stay away from political power for a very long time. And people think, I mean, you can't say we are performing say but that is the truth because Ghana for so obiania bio, we are not fools anymore. Now here, Sabrante we was see a friend Awal Mohammed. Sabrante we na, you say China as a country bid the culture ya obe jubilate huno. Time MPP wa power. Abrante we ba bonti be can say country be say the culture e bin see that. We are minor udika. Na ye dia chewa a jubilation. This guy. Now as I say, Vice President Abana, as I say, ye concentrating na da Nyankopon ase for returning back home safely no. MPP for bit social media ye jandam about ye jet na de maame ne bae no. Na we dia kura nye surprise o. You were a whole MP on Nzwakabi. May MP need ya. The private jet that brought Professor Nana from London, I am told Okuya Blackwa made the arrangement. How much did it cost the taxpayer? You see? And say, Wakwa you take pictures with and aba. Now some more can say. Private jet ready Professor Jennifer London background. Or say okuja to foreign affairs minister na arrangement. Na obisase private jet expensive way sika sen and a costly vice president. And I say a costly Ghana. Na me bisa Awal Mohammed. Baomiana time na baomia tutu kwan. Na tutu kwan. Na do ni baomia tutu kwan ba na bisa price o mu ko e. Munni nyansa. Awal Mohammed time anana nado ewo power na ohan private jets an hour no ano tua euros no otina TV so ebisa say na cost the taxpayer. You guys are silly and funny at the same time. Mo kan sem say na ma yebufu time anana ba all power. Even let's put Baumia aside. Na yet me edi a soldier for jets and then the first Samira Baumia. Samira Baumia, na adwuma be no e governance mu. What was Samira Baumia's work? Samira Baumia no tutu kwan ba no. Na Samira Baumia na the contribution to Ghana ye dey. Na adwuma be na Samira Baumia ye as a government person. Just name second lady Dan Sunti. Samira Baumia was using expensive jets more than some ministers and Nanado. Otimbet na social media biye wano ebisa say how much and it cost the taxpayer. You guys are silly and funny at the same time. Moana musi nipana wuru, nipana ba at the same time nusuno. You are lying about her trip. One kasa kwa your calculation bisa unze say, don't ask anybody. You see, this is how they lie, and some of us will get angry. Now here, we MP. Sa branch with your social media no ye did ma NPP. Enyewe. Anka obi be kan wasema MP. Tafu for MP ni ti no so kan. Lights out, luxury in. The vice president lands in style. While students study by candlelight, lectures are on strike and hospitals lack globes. Ghana's vice president touched down from London on a Visa jet, a luxury chartered flight. Costs over $170,000, 20 billion old cities. This is enough to pay 250 striking university staff for a month, complete a cheap compound or stock a hospital pharmacy for a year, fund electricity for 50 SHS for a whole term, buy 150,000 exercise books for basic schools. And what did Ghanaians get? More darkness, more debt, more excuses. This isn't leadership. It is lootership in luxury. Tafu for MP. Osi adum lights and a vice president atam Prez Nana boy in Yabagana. Abra a school for the candle light and a lectures was strike, hospitals in the globes. Now vice president are touching down from London using $170,000. 20 billion cities, 20 billion old cities. At the Abagana. Air flight no the price no. Na SAS can be to 250 striking university staff for Busumi, a complete cheap compound. I find electricity. I'm a SHS for a whole term. I sent 150,000 exercise books at the Ama basic schools. So you see, this is how they come out to cook the jandam. Okay, Mr. Vincent, NDC, about power 4, 5, 6 months. Mumu power for 8 years. Now they use luxury cars, luxury your friends and plane. Sikana munya niama only still no emunia na mutumi ye bisamo obimbisa MP we say in the NPP power 8 years or muncheme one university or starting from scratch every and NPP 8 years. Tell me NPP under 8 years chireme one university or starting from scratch every year. Under 8 years, more number promise teacher training for allowance. Under 8 solid years. Na muntimintu yo munyinaka. Na eba sopi. Ba umyako techi my momu ko disgrace no tria kakra. Ebinu di amma be pimende. Mo na mun living luxury lifestyle no. Teacher training for mutintu yo muka. Yerisamu. NAPCO Nation Builders Corps said Mona mude buy. At the end of the day, mo have free power. Muntimintu ya NAPCO worker. You see, enyama we no muka ema ye bufunu. Ya wokroma ha. Na do rent private jets. An hour 15,000 euros. Said you an hour. Samira Bawumia or two choir anonymous score spending. And then Chief Justice Tokuna mu defending no. Chief Justice Onukronya Vice President to Ondru Vice President position no. Na Chief Justice to kwa the yere and then the back can unim scan almost spending. How many of you they can't want some time more power? Why are you guys so hypocrite like that? Me, I will not sit here and defend Vice President. Me name private jet the kind of luxury private jet I would buy. Me who private jet me who's plane. I don't know how it costs. But muna mu kana mu pese mu ye justification no. Mu misa mu say under mu regime one live that kind of life na wo kanu. Again, na taxpayer money no muri ye mumuji e-levy agi betting tax. A lot of things and the pay so ye bisia kan ho wo bisia close to 1 trillion. Muntimi ntwa taw 4-5 months in power. Niama want to for 8 years anya no. As an MP, you are telling the government to use 4 months. And find ya they want to for 8 years anya. Na mumu ye silly sir. And we free MPP communicator numukranke nyam ya we MP kasani a member of parliament. Mumu time ana mu abandi project amuntimi complete no. Agenda 1111 mu catch they say mu sin across Ghana, mu free power, mu hand over mu small way tu yenko hwe ma ba ko da complete hwinim. Chirami agenda 11 hospital etimi gini payare e wo Ghana ha. Why na yare or say me koda agenda 11 hospital. Nobody in Ghana. Mo man fa musika and living luxury lifestyle mponi o. Mo antiman sta agenda 11 hospital zukwa na akoye say market. Empata na ye bo market no. Sana na ye we hospital. This Jandam say they want to lie their way to power. Why? Mo ana mo say vice awudu. Wa back to Ghana. Say the conversation in yes vice awu. He said the conversation is flight ni saying. Na Samira Baumia ni tipen ene your friend say vice president jail. Ni tipen no. Samira Baumia why na no tu kwan okroma che no. Samira Baumia na position ye den. Na adwuma bed no ye under another government no. Nso na yetimi ti jet be fan. De no kwata mali, de no kokumase. Na I mean Samira Baumia took quite every Ghana, a quarter country. Now you beside the jet price, you say. Nanado dia no muye calculation you say. You people are silly and funny at the same time. Say I'm be corner dia, yanum be corner boot for boot to Kruma. Because ya who say MPP for you guys are not ready to change and think at the same time. Send ya mutia na mu free power no. Sa ambasa mu ya dia yenzu ya de be shiamu boot for boot.